Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle and today is the 1 month update on my Amazon bundles and my Amazon closure. So I'm going to combine the two, even though before they were separate videos. So I'm going to walk you through what the wig is looking like, up close, personal, very realistic styling application, and then we're going to get into the update. Alright, so this is how the wig is looking. I literally just picked it up. And you can see how the nape is looking. The last time I wore it was actually the very first time I put glue on it. Here's a better view of the nape. I wore this for a full day. It does have some, you see it, but I'm gonna brush through it on camera so you know how it's looking. Now this is the lace, the old glue. I used the Eben lace spray, so it's kinda, you cannot use that twice without it showing that flaky way stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this right now. This is alcohol. So I'm just going to spray it on my sock and rub the lace. Sometimes you'll have to rub it directly on the lace, but I don't think I'll have to this time. I don't think it's like that hard up there. So I'm just gonna work from side to side.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking about myself, asking for help.
I did a time lapse on cleaning the lace so it wouldn't be super long, but this is how it's looking. Now you can see that the baby hair are still intact. The hairline is still the same from day one. So the last time I wore this wig, like I said, I put glue around the hairline because it was going to be a very long day. It was the longest day that I wore the wig. This is the Eben Sensitive Adhesive Spray. Just side to side, 2 layers. Ooh, that was on the lace, Lord have mercy. So I have not curled this hair. I don't know if I said that already. I have not curled this hair since the day that I put the video up. That was the last time I used heat. And this is how the hair is looking. Definitely have some tingles. And when I took this wig off, all I did was put it down. So this is just a normal, realistic hair situation.
Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time.
For my nape, I kind of like to finger pull and brush it out. This is my makeup robe, so if you see makeup on it, that's why. Now I'm just gonna pull it down. So I'm gonna tie this down, not worried about the baby hair right now. Now I can go in and do my baby hair. I'm gonna use this Nairobi foam wrap brush. So my edge brush, toothbrush, I guess, is dirty. Yes, I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. It's just makeup and glue. Every time I wash it, it don't be working the same until it get back dirty. So now from here, I can just lay my thing back on, wait until my edges dry, which is gonna be after I do my makeup, and then I'll take my brush and just brush out the hair so they don't look really flat to my face, and put a little extra before I put the wrap. And then we will get into exactly how this hair has been doing for the last month. I just want to show you like a true what I do to it and how it looks after it's been worn for a long period of time. So this is it. So this is how my baby hair are looking before I brush or comb them out. Close up of my lace. I do have my makeup on, so it's not blended all the way because I'm trying to keep it off the lace. But okay, so let's do a quick little recap. So 4 bundles from one company, and then I have 5x5 HD Skin Light Closure Body Wave as well from another company. I'll link both of those videos, both unsponsored. Now originally I rated my Body Wave bundle a 7 out of 10 for the cons were it wasn't that full / it was skimpy at the ends, and it doesn't hold a curl. Since then my rating has changed. I have not curled this hair since that video. I have not put any heat on this hair, not on the part, no heat anywhere at all. And I would say it holds a curl pretty well. The last day I wore it, I noticed that this side was starting to go flat. You can kind of see it's flatter than this side where we got a little bit more movement. I don't really mind it because I like the way it looks. It looks a little bit like, you know, effortless, like didn't really try like body wave hair. Now as for the fullness, the only time I notice it being skimp is when I haven't brushed the hair in a while after I've been wearing it for the day, and the curls will start to kind of clump together, and I'll be looking at it like, ooh, just, you know, but it's not that big of a deal. Overall, my new rating for this hair after a month is a 9 out of 10. I have nothing bad to say about it. I have not put any oh wait, no, that's a lie. I put grapeseed oil. This is the only thing I've been putting in this hair, and I do that when it feels dry. Like I'm gonna do it now because, you know, if I put my fingers through, now it's not gonna do it, but usually if it starts to get like some tangles, I'll put a little bit of this on, and then I'll brush out with my paddle brush, and it's good to go. Now this, I use this on my real hair because I have fine hair, so it's a lightweight oil, so it's not going to put like too much on it and make the hair look like greasy, and it's just the perfect oil for this type of hair. Again, this is grapeseed oil. That's it. Besides, of course, my Nairobi foam wrap, which goes on the closure. So what did I rate the closure? I rated it an 8.5 out of 10. The con was the beards. I have not moved my part since the video. I have not washed this hair. You saw me remove the glue from the lace, and the last day I wore this wig was the first day that I put glue on the wig. Only thing I put here is my Nairobi foam wrap. And I use this when I do my edges just to like lay everything down. So the beards aren't really like, you know, I don't see them. So I can't really say like, oh, I would change my rating to higher because I don't see them. Right now, I'm gonna stick with 8.5 out of 10, which isn't bad. I do plan to wash this wig after today because I'm just kind of tired of the side part. It's just, you know, but the lace is still fine. I've worn this wig. I've been wearing it mainly glueless, but even after putting that glue on there, yeah, I mean, it still looks really good. Nothing's changed. Everything's the same. Not experiencing any shedding, tangling. The maintenance on both the bundles and the closure very low. I do not have to do a lot. I put this wig on and go. I did make this wig myself, so it's like fit for my hair. I don't need to put glue. I just like to put it when I know I'm gonna be doing a lot of moving. So far, yes, I would recommend these bundles. A month in, I would say I would buy them again. Actually, I did buy an 18-inch bundle again because I want to make another wig. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I do plan to do another update. I'll probably do a 3-month, which will be in May. Oh yeah, I also do not put my makeup that close to my lace because that's how it starts to look yucky and gunky pretty quick. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So far, I'm in love with both of them. So if any questions, comments, concerns, anything I didn't touch on that you want to know, leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, but also the 3-month update.
I've been trying to